Hello there, everybody. Just a nifty little gadget I got here. This is the Satechi, not sure how to pronounce it, Satechi Soundfly AUX, auxiliary MP3 player and FM transmitter. What this is, it plugs in a cigarette lighter and it's an MP3 player with a built-in FM transmitter. And it runs off of either an SD card, or you can put as a USB port, you can put a thumb drive in it. I have a 16 gig SD card full of MP3 files in it right now. And you can either use the FM transmitter, transmit to your car radio, or it has an auxiliary out that you can run a patch cord in. If you have an auxiliary in on your radio, you can use that. It also has an input for like an iPod or other MP3 player or anything else you might want to hook up to it. So let's see how it works. Now this is kind of tight to fit in this cigarette lighter socket. I might want to do something with that, but okay, you can adjust it down. Welcome, it's loading the SD card. Now you can program 4 different FM frequencies in it. I have 88.7 in here now. Now I'll turn on the radio. And it has a shuffle play memory. You can it says it'll hold up to 32 gig card and says up to 1999 files. I have about 2,500 MP3s on this card, so I'm not sure if it's gonna read them all or not, but you can go to the next, jump to the next track. And this is on shuffle mode. And it also has the let's see, a push menu. I'm still learning how to use it, so it has its own volume control, bass, treble. I got it up all the way. I can turn it up there, or I can use the regular. Now this is an 18-year-old car, so it has a cassette deck. And I'm not sure if the cassette player works yet or not, but I do have an adapter for it that I can use. But for now, I'll just use the FM function. So just a little quick show of this. I like it so far. I've only started using it today yet. But I could take this out of here, put it in a different car, or whatever. And the 2,500 MP3 files I have on that 16 gig SD card, I only have about 3 gigs left. So if I make more files, I'm going to have to, and that's my complete collection too. So I might have to upgrade to a 32 gig, but so it's hitting random, see what comes up. I got too much bass on it. That's better. Because I also got it turned up on the car radio. Racing in the streets. So I like it.
Hello.
Oh, there we go. Okay, here we go right here. This is one of the first pop rock songs ever to have a synthesizer on it. This is the Monkees from the Pisces of Aquarius, Capricorn, and Jones album. And that was the first pop album to feature a synthesizer. Mickey Dolenz bought like the third Moog synthesizer ever produced. So I'll let this play a little bit. This is written by Carole King and Jerry Coffin. This is from 1967. Davy Jones on lead vocals, and rest in peace, hey, Davy Jones. He just passed away a few weeks ago. See what comes up next. Oh, that one will get me blocked. So I'll just play a little bit of it. I love that song though. But anyways, we'll power it off. Oops, that's the wrong button. Lost little girl. Okay. And that, now as far as this car goes, I just had the intake gaskets replaced. Had the replaced lower left ball joint too. Just spent over $400 on it. It still isn't running right. It's running okay, but it. I'm gonna turn that down. I think it might be a problem with the EGR valve or something. He put another used EGR valve in, thinking that would fix it, but it runs good. But every once in a while, it'll run rough and hesitate. So I'm not sure. I couldn't bring any. I tried plugging my scanner into the ECM port, and all I get is error messages. I'm not getting a service engine soon light, and I just fixed the bulb, so I know it works. And also yesterday I replaced both stabilizer bar links, only to find out that the whole stabilizer bar itself is broken in two. So I have to go to the boneyard and get one of those. So, but other than that, it runs and goes down the road. That's really all I was looking for a second car. So just backup transportation is all this is for. So I guess that'll do it for this video. Y'all have a good day. Talk to you later. Goodbye. Oh, and another thing, I forgot to show the remote control for the Satechi. So let me power that on. The video is getting long, so I gotta. And it'll start the last track that played right from the beginning. So I can also. You have to aim it just right. And there's Moloko. See it back. Okay, that'll do it with the remote control, which I probably won't use much. But y'all have a good day. We'll talk to you later. Goodbye.